Lesson on factorizing quadratic expression. If you feel like you are stuck when the negative comes in the equation, then that means it's going to be very helpful for you. Let's try understanding. The first thing for any expression we need to check is the coefficient of x square. What exactly the coefficient of x square over here is? We don't have any number, that means it's 1. So if you have 1, this method is going to be working. So the first thing to check is this, please. Now, what we need to do, we need to take, like, 1 times 8 is 8. So we're going to be taking this number, 8 will be there and negative 6 will be there. You actually have to think of, because what exactly it is, it's multiplication symbol there. So what two things multiply to give you 8, and if you add them, you're going to be getting negative 6. So we know that we get, if we add, what your process over here is, two numbers to multiply to give you 8 and add to give you negative 6. When we add two negative numbers, we get a negative answer. And if we multiply two negative numbers, we get a positive answer, right? So if I say negative 1 times negative 2 gives you a positive answer, right? And negative 1 plus negative 2 gives you a negative answer. So basically, we are sure that these two numbers are going to be negative. So now, what two numbers multiply to give you 8 and add to give you negative 6, sorry. So it would be 4 times 2, that gives you 8, and if we make both the numbers negative, it will give you negative 6 when you add them. This is the particular process, but what is the short trick over here? So I'm going to be drawing the same cross here. Let's think of not taking this equation, but making a positive equation for the same. So x squared plus 6x plus 8, because for positive we are very clear, we don't have any confusion. We're going to be writing 8 here and 6 here, which two numbers to multiply to give you 8 and add to give you 6. You can very easily locate that. Now if you add a negative sign there, just make both the numbers negative. So the final answer is going to be x minus 4 and x minus 2. This is your final answer. Let's go for the next question. The next question we have is x squared take away 10x plus 21. Okay, let's follow the quick method. What we need to do, just quickly to, without any confusion, if you have to quickly get the answer. So we're going to be making it, first let's draw our cross there. Now we will be writing the positive equation for the same, x squared plus 10x plus 21. Okay, what two numbers to multiply to give you 21 and add to give you 10? It's very easy to locate that. It's nothing but 7 and 3, right? Because this was negative, add a negative and both numbers are going to be negative. Okay, so your answer is going to be x take away 7 and x take away 3. Perfect.